guys, welcome back to my channel. So obviously today we are going to be doing a hair review, and today I'm going to be reviewing this beautiful wig that UNice sent me, and oh my gosh, I am completely blown away. So they did reach out and want to collaborate, and I am so appreciative of that. This is my first hair collaboration video, and I just want to let you guys know that all of my opinions are 100% honest. So if there's anything that I don't like or I'm not sure about, I will be sure to let you guys know. This wig did not come like this, you guys. They sent me their 18-inch body wave. It is a 5x5 closure, so that means it just stops right here and right here, as far as the lace, so it does not go down to my ears. I'll insert a clip of the wig when I first got it. As you can see, it came very full, lots of body, and the lace came pretty nice. It actually looked like it was already pre-plucked, and it was not bulky whatsoever. So if you wanted to, you could actually just install it probably without zero plucking. What I decided to do with this, you guys, is to cut it into a bob, and unfortunately I did not get that on camera because I am a beginner. Like, I am still learning. I am not a professional whatsoever, so I kind of just cut this off camera. There are a lot of how to cut your wig into a bob videos you can find on YouTube. That's exactly what I did, and the quality is bomb. As you can see, where is the lace? Where is the lace? Like, wow, you guys, I have not had an HD lace like this good. I don't know. This wig was pretty easy to install. I haven't had like a closure in so long, but yeah, I actually like it because I get to give like most of my edges a break, okay? And it feels very comfortable. I mean, I have a big head, so if you guys have big heads out there, this does fit very comfortably. And if you guys have colored hair like I do, like, of course I'm blonde, it doesn't show. Like, I was very worried that you could see my real hair underneath, but you know, it's right there. So the wig does cover it pretty well, and you just have to make sure you gel your hair back pretty well. Thank you so much, UNice, for reaching out for this video. I am obsessed with this wig, and I definitely plan on checking out more of their stuff. This is my first time ever trying their hair, and wow, like, look how full, look at the body, look at the shine. Like, this is bomb. I will show you guys how I did install it. I did mess up a little bit and had to do with tweaks, but I will show you guys that in the video as well. So I'm just gonna take some alcohol and wipe all the oils and stuff off my forehead, because that's where we're gonna be applying the wig. And since it's like a closure, I'm just gonna clean off this part right here because that's all that we're sticking down. So now I'm just gonna use the wig cap that they conveniently sent me. Thank you, UNice. Now I don't have to run out to the beauty supply and do all that jazz. I have not worn a closure in so long, you guys. I'm a little nervous because obviously, like, I'm blonde now, and this is a dark-haired wig, so I'm a little nervous about how it's going to look, but I'm sure it's gonna be fine. I just get nervous about the wind blowing back, and you can see my hair, but this wig actually comes with clips on the side, so I think I'm gonna be okay. It's gonna grab on pretty nicely. I'm gonna take my Got To Be Freeze. If you guys want a more in-depth video on how I apply my wigs, I will leave a link up here that you guys can go watch. I do a very detailed step-by-step tutorial that a lot of people have found helpful, and I am just so, you know, appreciative of everybody that loved the video, you guys. Like, I literally just was winging that and hoping and praying it was gonna come out good, because I am not a professional whatsoever. Like, I do not do hair on people, none of that. Like, so all of what I know is literally from YouTube University. Right, guys, so I just scooted you in a little bit closer so you can get a better view. I have the excess bald cap trimmed off, so now I'm gonna try something I never tried before, and I'm gonna tint the bald cap. So I'm just gonna take my Fenty powder. I hope this is, yeah, which is exactly my skin tone. And I'm just going to go over the lace just so it can match my skin tone. Wow, that's so cool. It's my skin tone. So let's see. Wow. Oh my God. It blends pretty nice. So what I'm going to do now that I've seen on a hairstylist YouTube is to just mark where you're placing the cap, I guess. Like that. And it should transfer onto your skin. Boop. Like that. I'm gonna be applying this Got to Be gel, but it's the black one just because this one is not waterproof, so it's gonna be easier to take off. So, you know, I can wear this for like 2 days and then take it off. That's the beauty of Got to Be gel, you know? Not sponsored, but I wish I was. And oh my gosh, you know, I haven't worn a closure probably since I was like 21 or 22. But honestly, it's nice because you get to have a break on your edges, you know, on your sideburns. Because I'm not gonna lie to you, sometimes wigs be taking my edges off. And one time I actually just grew this hair back right here from a frontal because it ripped out my edges. And that's why I get scared about using like lace glue. I don't want to lose my edges because I like to wear my natural hair out. I'm gonna spray this on top of the second layer of this. And this is gonna just secure down that hold very strong. I'm just gonna let this dry down and then apply the second layer, apply the spray, and then I'll show you guys with me applying the wig on. It is tacky now, so it's the perfect time to lay down the lace. So this is the trick. So you just take this, be very careful. And you match it up to the dots, just like that. I'm gonna take this and tie it on the hairline. Okay, so it's been about 10 minutes, so I'm gonna go ahead and take this off. Oh my God. Wow. Oh my gosh, you guys, this looks like my hair. What the heck? Oh my God, this is crazy. All right, so I'm just gonna take out a couple baby hairs. Like so. I just want to do like 2 swoops on the side, so I'm not really trying to do anything too crazy. I'm just gonna take my Nairobi foaming cream, which has no alcohol in it, and I'm gonna use that to swoop my sides. So on this side, I went ahead and laid it with my hot comb. So I'm just gonna show you how easy it is to lay it down. And I just want you guys to see how versatile the closure is. I was choosing to do a middle part, but you can literally do a side part or whatever you want. But I'm just gonna lay it down the top so it can be nice and flat. And I'm also using my edge control. This is the True Edge. And I'm just using that as like a wax just because I don't have any on me right now. But it works just as good. My roommate went ahead and cleaned up the bob cut for me and it looks so much better, so I'm a lot more pleased. If you're confused as to why the wig is not secured anymore, I noticed it was a little too far back. My roommate and my mom mentioned like it was a little too far back, so I'm just showing you guys my mistakes and how I'm gonna fix it. So I kind of just took a wet rag and I dabbed along the closure just to loosen up the glue. And as you can see, it came off fine and my bald cap is still there. So that's why I love this method, because you're able to make mistakes and fix them. Okay, right now I think it's ready. So I'm just going to go ahead and reapply that. So I'm just putting it like half an inch further from where I originally had it. So... you guys can see how this lace is literally melting onto my skin. It's like, wow, it's turning invisible as I'm laying it down. This is crazy. This lace is literally, oh my God, it's just such a good quality to me. Like you can see, you can't even see where the lace starts. Like it just melts so well to the skin. Okay guys, so off camera I went ahead and tied down my edges with the silk wrap, which is so cute, and I plan to go to bed like this because this is a really nice way to wrap your edges at night so they don't get disrupted when you wake up in the morning. It'll be fresh and perfect, and it's made out of silk, so it's not going to make your hair frizzy. Oh my God, what do you guys think? Look at the lace. I don't know if you guys can see, but this looks so melted. Like this looks melted. Just be careful with like the tracks right here and right here showing too much. I did go ahead and trim some of that off, probably like that much, just because it was like a little too far. So you guys, you're just gonna have to like adjust to your, you know, face. Ooh. This looks so cute. I literally got my wig cut into a bob and my lace melted for free. For free. I just saved myself $200. Thank you guys so much for watching. I really hope you enjoyed this hair review. Again, all links will be in the description box below for you guys so you can check out UNice Wigs. I highly recommend, because as you can see, hello, girl. This wig is probably the nicest wig I've had in a long time. Like, no filter. Look at this hairline. It looks natural. Like, I love that. And like I said, you don't really need to do much plucking because it already comes pretty pre-plucked. Don't forget to follow all of my social media, which will be linked down below in the description box. But other than that, I will see you guys in the next video. Bye.